Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Sunday, May 19th, and this is my recap of the top viewed videos from Friday. And on Friday, the Euro-US dollar came in number 2, so we're going to do a quick recap. If you'd like to see my full top-down analysis on the Euro dollar from Friday morning, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So the euro dollar did eventually go down and make a big recovery on Friday. To me, I actually still think this is 5 ways down. I actually still think this is a wave A. This to me looks like an expanded flat or maybe a running flat because it's impulsive up A, 3 ways down B. I think this move up is very likely a wave C of wave B. So I would be either looking for a break of structure to the downside or maybe that 3, 4, 5 shape would be even better. Either scenario, I think there's a pretty good chance this is going to go down and make a wave C. Once you prove that this really is going down, and you can put your Fibonacci retracement from the last series of higher highs, higher lows from top to bottom. You can look for 3 waves down. You can look for impulsive up, a break of structure at a Fibonacci retracement level for your next entry to go long for the continuation of the uptrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to all my daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.